In the bustling world of business, swift and efficient delivery of orders is paramount. Enter the indispensable cargo and freight agents. Regardless of shipment size, route, or nature, these agents orchestrate the journey of cargo from origin to destination with finesse and precision. Orders come in, and cargo and freight agents spring into action, coordinating the freight's transportation to the loading platform. Every detail is meticulously handled, from insurance forms to cargo descriptions encompassing quantity, type, weight, and dimensions. Should the goods cross borders, the agents smoothly navigate the complexities of customs, ensuring all necessary clearances are in place. With great care, agents ensure the cargo is systematically loaded into shipping containers and shipping costs are accurately calculated. The challenge of expedited delivery requests, multiple arrangements for a single cargo load, handled with ease. Upon arrival, freight agents diligently check for missing items, record any damage, and arrange payment and pickup by customers. Although office-bound for part of the day, cargo and freight agents can also be found at airline, train, and trucking terminals and shipping docks. Evening and weekend hours are often part of the job. And to get started, a high school diploma is typically all you need. So, are you ready to go unlimited? If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for immediate updates. Get ready to dive into a world of information just a click away.